In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import opening balances in Zoho Books, providing a comprehensive guide for 2025. For those setting up their accounting records and transitioning to Zoho Books, understanding how to correctly import your beginning balances is crucial. These balances establish the foundation for your financial records within the platform, ensuring that all your transactions and reports reflect accurately. Let's begin by navigating to your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you've logged into your account, this is the main screen you'll encounter, giving you access to all your financial information at a glance. As you scan the dashboard, keep an eye out for a section that stands out or is highlighted. Typically, this will be a prompt or shortcut directing you towards settings or specific functionalities that you need, making it a handy way to find the options related to your account setup. Once you've found this highlighted area, proceed to the configuration settings by selecting Opening Balances. This section is pivotal for managing and verifying the initial figures for each of your accounts. You'll want to click on the Import Opening Balances option, a feature designed specifically to streamline the integration of your existing financial data into Zoho Books. As the import process unfolds, you'll be guided through a series of highlighted prompts by the interface, directing you to the step where you'll click Next on the wizard interface. Before diving deeper, ensure your initial data is meticulously prepared in a spreadsheet format that aligns with the structure Zoho Books expects. Now, let's enter detailed information on your opening balance details, which encompasses various financial parameters crucial for setting this up. Begin by entering the migration date. This marks the day when your existing financial records will transition into Zoho Books, establishing a fresh start for your accounting period. Following this, you'll need to fill in the account name. This is essentially a descriptive label for each account within your records, then indicate whether each entry is a debit or credit. This classification is essential because it dictates how transactions are accounted for in your financial statements. The next step involves selecting the currency code, which identifies the currency in which each account operates. You'll also need to specify the amount for each account, reflecting its initial balance. Being meticulous with these entries is crucial for ensuring the accuracy and reliability of your financial records. For accounts that involve multiple currencies, remember to input the exchange rate used to convert foreign amounts into your primary currency. Finally, ensure to provide the contact name whenever account entries are linked with specific clients or vendors. When you've filled out all the required details, go ahead and click Next. This action allows Zoho Books to complete the import process, seamlessly integrating your opening balances into your system. This straightforward yet vital step ensures that your financial data within Zoho Books is complete and ready for day-to-day accounting activities. With everything set up correctly, congratulations! You've successfully imported your opening balances into Zoho Books. This foundational step ensures your accounting records are accurate, aiding you in maintaining financial clarity as you manage your business operations.